I researched all the diets, and there's one that comes to mind when it comes to longevity and vitality, and that is there is no diet. But let me explain. With research, almost every single diet that has been researched heavily shows promise when it comes to including more plant-based foods. To go into further, research has always shown communities who included more plant-based foods have good health, less obesity, less chance of cancer, less chance of high blood pressure, hyperlipidemia, diabetes, and heart attack. It appears that vegetarians live longer and also healthier lives. But here's the thing, it's difficult to pinpoint if it's exactly the absence of meat or it's the inclusion of plant-based foods that are causing this. It can also come from other lifestyle practices. My belief is that it's all three. In regards to meat intake, especially for processed meat, there's increased risk of colon cancer, heart cancer. When it comes to increased meat consumption, especially with processed foods, research has shown that there's correlation with heart disease, cancer, diabetes, colon cancer, as well as prostate cancer. Now, on the contrary, including fruits and vegetables into the diet continues to show that there is a protection against these diseases. But here's the thing, the beneficial effects of plants and fruits inclusion into your diet has its own merit, but we can't neglect the other lifestyle practices. Now, you can eat all the healthy food in the world, but if you smoke, if you drink, if you have high stress levels, and if you're sedentary, these health benefits are less likely to come. So this comes to the answer of the question, is there a specific diet for health and vitality? And the fact is, health is not unidimensional, it's multidimensional, meaning there is no specific diet. It is a balance of nutritional health, physical health, and mental health. To summarize, the take-home message here is to optimize health, you need to introspect and figure out all other aspects of your life that you can optimize. Because ultimately, the more balanced you are, the healthier you are. I hope that was helpful. This is Dr. Shah, your plant-based doctor, and if you have any questions, drop them in the comments below and I'll make sure to answer them. Until next time.